Welcome to the Natural Health Podcast, where we bring awareness of sustainable health in the business hustle space. The Natural Health Podcast is perfect for the high-performing, business-minded individual who want to work with their biochemistry to achieve optimal health. It's Tuesday, which means it's time for this week's top product discussion. Let's get into it. If you're anything like me, you love exercise. If that is walking, if that is lifting, if that is running, not so much running, but hey, HIIT training, whatever, boot camps, classes, yoga, so forth. If that is what you love, if you love keeping your body active, and which means the result is you may get muscle pain, and it may be good because our muscles may be growing or they may be hurt or damaged or injured, right? You're going to love this product, and it's so simple, and so many people have spoken to you about it. You probably may even have one of these in your spare room, in your garage, haven't used it for a while, right? What am I talking about? I am talking about the foam roller. That's right, the foam roller that is going to assist you with your muscle pain. I know I always put it off and go, oh, that's all right, I'll foam roll tomorrow. And then I never get to it, right? But if you include it in your routine, either before you exercise or after you exercise, or even totally away from it, like a nighttime routine to relax, to roll it, it just may make a difference in regards to your muscle pain, right? What I want you to know is that the foam rolling is a self-myofascial release technique, right? So what does a massage actually do? It does that. It gets into our myofascia, right? It releases that because we need that release. We may not feel it, but it may be so tight and so tense, right? And it can help relieve muscle tightness, soreness, and inflammation, and also increase your range of motion. So if you are involved in any type of sports or exercises where you need that wide range of motion, this is something that may be able to help you out with. There was a small study done where 8 males participated in it, found the evidence that foam rolling after exercise helped reduce delayed onset muscle soreness, right? So what they did is these men in this study, physically active foam rolled for 20 minutes immediately after exercising, in addition to 24 and 48 hours after exercising. So they did this on a frequent basis when they exercise, right? But the other benefit to it is not just to help out with your muscle soreness, it can help you relax. This is the absolutely amazing part. Many people find foam rolling relaxing because you're just taking your time out for you and just rolling, right? Because you're breaking up the tightness in your muscles, help you feel less tense and calmer as a result. I know when I roll, especially on the side of my leg, I just feel absolutely amazing. I feel like there was a release. I feel like there's not as much tension there at all, right? There was another small study that occurred with 20 female participants either foam rolled or rested for 30 minutes after walking on the treadmill. So just walking on the treadmill. Researchers didn't find that foam rolling significantly reduced stress levels more than resting. So this is kind of saying that more research needs to be done in this. But in the meantime, the thing is that if you find foam rolling relaxing, there's absolutely no harm adding into it. So this research study may have not found such a huge difference into it. But the thing that we need to understand with research studies is that you need to see what it feels like for you, right? So, but I did say that this is going to help with your muscle soreness because the fascia is going to get in touch with, right? It's going to help it break down and forth. But if you find it relaxing and it's something that's going to help you, why not include it in your routine, right? The one thing that I do want you to know is that there are different types of rollers available. There's the smooth roller, the textured roller, the foam covered massage stick, the foam roller bowls. There's so many different types. I just got the one, I think it's textured, right? It looks like a pipe and it has like textured on it, and it's about that size, right? If you're looking on the video. I love it. And to be honest with you, I know this study says it doesn't help you relax the same as like 30 minutes of just not doing anything, but it helps me, it calms me, it puts me in a state of I'm doing something good for my body. I'm helping my body relieve the tension, the inflammation that's happening at the moment in my body, and I just feel amazing. I'm probably going to go and use it right now after I record this because it just gets me in a state of a parasympathetic mode. And the bonus is it helps with muscle tightness and soreness. I mean, in the 21st century, hello, we all have muscle soreness, muscle pain, muscle tightness. So why not include the foam roller in your routine, right? Where do you find it? You find it online, you find it at Rebel Sports, Kmart, Target, anywhere along those lines. They cost about $20 to $70, so they're not so expensive, right? And you can include it every day into your routine. There's not an issue. If you have a spare 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, work up to it. Jump on YouTube, jump on a foam roller exercise video that will show you how to roll properly so you don't hurt yourself. There you have it. I hope that this product may be able to assist you with your muscle pain. Until next Tuesday, love you.